Video will show how to replace the batteries in the CyberPower 1200 AVR home and small business UPS. This is the CyberPower 1200 AVR. This is a small UPS uninterruptible power supply intended for home or small office use. Today we're going to go through the procedure to replace the batteries in this particular model. The first step of replacing the batteries is we need to remove this front cover. This cover slides off, but it's held in place by a small Phillips screw at the bottom. This is that small Phillips screw. So using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw. Only takes a few turns. Set it someplace secure. You do not want to lose this. This screw is very small and it's very easy to lose. So put this someplace safe. To remove this, push down and it will release. Notice that the tabs that hold it in place are meant to lock in that position. Also notice it's held on by a multi-wire cable. I'm just going to set this to the side. Not going to try to remove that. And notice here is the battery pack. The 2-unit battery pack is held in place by these 2 power cables. The next step is to disconnect the power cables. Notice red connects to red, black connects to black. Now that the 2 power cables have been disconnected, we can remove the battery pack. There's openings on the sides where you can grab the battery pack and pull it out. It's very tight. Wiggle it out. Take your time. Notice that the 2 batteries are taped together with a piece of clear tape, and this is on both sides. Also notice the 2 battery packs have a connector plate between them to make a gap for the cables to run. The next step is to remove the tape from the top pack because we need this connector plate. The top battery is black and white connectors. Unconnect those. Set the battery aside. Now then, for this plate, notice the following. The red is a pass-through. The black cable connects to the bottom black connector. The pass-through cable connects to the red connector. The battery has color-coded tabs. Red is positive, black is negative. Disconnect that. Disconnect this battery. Now the plate is disconnected. We want to preserve the wires in their positions. We'll set this battery aside. Now you can identify the make and model of the battery and order replacement batteries from online. To install the new batteries, we go in the reverse order of disconnecting the batteries. The terminals on the new batteries have protective covers. Remove the protective covers. Pass-through cable connects to the red. The main negative, black, connects to the negative. Now we are ready to connect the other battery. Remove the terminal covers. Turn the battery over. So we have red and negative. So red connects to red. Easier if you turn it onto its side. Easier to use needle nose pliers. And then black to black. Again, Needle nose pliers can make this a lot easier. I am not retaping these. I'm just going to insert them back in and connect them up. If you want to use packing tape to reconnect your batteries into a single unit, feel free to do so. The battery units are now installed back into the unit, and we're going to reconnect the cables. Just heard the system turning back on. Now we're going to reinstall the front. Reattach the screw. And the system is now ready to be plugged in and ready to go. I recommend for new batteries that you should let the batteries charge for a minimum of 12 hours. Charging for 24 hours will make sure everything is ready to go again. Congratulations. Not only is your CyberPower ready to be used again, but you've done it yourself and saved quite a bit of money in the process. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.